We started doing a new exercise series in the clinic today using this Pure Band loop. So I was going to show my client, but I figured I'd show everybody just in case you want to do it. Let's pretend in this case I had a right total knee replacement. So I pulled the loop open. The loop is pulling my right knee back. This would be ideal for somebody who's trying to get to 90 degrees of flexion. There's ways to do this dynamically or statically. You can see that now I'm using a slider, a furniture slider under the foot, but the band is pulling me back into flexion, and I'm using my quadricep to push me into extension. I'm going to step out. I'm going to show you one more arrangement. If you're taller than me, I'm about 5'8" on a good day. This chair is about 19 inches high. But if I was taller, I would use a pillow under the thigh. That's going to help to elevate the leg and give me some more room. And now again, you can see I'm doing this little ballistic bouncing motion. The rubber band is helping to pull me back into flexion. I use my non-surgical leg to take the band off and go through the range of motion without the assistance. Now the band is back on, but a little trick is you can put the non-surgical foot in to control the resistance to give you more or less and release it when you're ready to take a break. Give this a shot. Let me know what you think. If you want these loops, they're available on Amazon.